Hello everyone. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type one in the chat box. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type one in the chat box. Thank you for confirming. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the fact that you are all here. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you could be doing so many other things. And I know time is the most valuable asset. And I will try to give the best value of your time. And this is a 90-minute session. And in today's session, we'll be discussing about our diploma in skincare formulation course, in which we teach to formulate over 50 types of beauty and skincare cosmetic products formulated using natural ingredients. We'll be discussing about the syllabus of the complete diploma in skincare formulation course, what all products we'll be teaching in the course, and how you can formulate the cosmetic products, what are the raw materials required for formulation, from where you can get the raw materials, like what is the investment that is required, and what is the profit margin, every single aspect of starting your own professional cosmetics business we'll be discussing in today's session. So in between today's session, if you have any doubts or question, kindly post it in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. And kindly take notes because even one idea can help you a lot when you want to start your own cosmetics business. So let us start today's session. Again, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for today's session. And so this is a webinar. So in today's session, we do not have raise hand option. Whenever you have any doubts or questions in your mind, you can post it in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So So Gulab Shah, today's session is about our diploma in skincare formulation course. Once you join the course, inside the course, there is raw material supplier information, container supplier information, everything will be available inside the course. So handmade cosmetic products are in huge demand these days as a product and as a business. It is a very, very successful business, and market-based cosmetic products are formulated in bulk, right? It is made in 100 kg, 200 kg. But handmade cosmetic products, there is great advantage because it is formulated by formulators like you and me, like small business owners. So we talk with the customer and we ask for the skin type of the customer because not everybody will be having the same type of skin, right? So we'll be asking if the customer has oily skin type or dry skin type or sensitive skin type, and if the customer is looking for a gel, cream or scrub. All these are very important questions to ask and understand before recommending a product to the customer. And the product which we are going to formulate for that particular customer will be personalized and customized only for that customer. That is why handmade cosmetic products are very much preferred by everyone, and it is a very, very successful business. Our students who have completed the diploma in skincare formulation course from us, they are formulating beautiful cosmetic products for their customers, and they are earning in lakhs by formulating these products. That is the benefit of formulating your own cosmetic products. Also, at the end of the course, only for the participants of today's session, you will be getting a special offer to enroll in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So let me explain about our Diploma course. Before that, how many of you are excited to know about our Diploma in Skincare Formulation course? Type excited in the chat box. Glad to know so many of you are excited about our diploma course. Yes, Divya, today's session is about our diploma in skincare formulation course. Anamika, Aditi, Sirisha, and Siddiqui. Gulafshad, Yogeshwari, Mohandas, Harshil, Manikandan, Sophia, everybody are excited, right? Even I am very much excited. So, those of you joined late, please do not raise hand. We do not have raise hand option as this is a webinar. Whenever you have any doubts or question, kindly post in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. Aditi, kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rixie Margaret. I am the trainer for the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course and Diploma in Color Cosmetics Formulation course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. I have completed international programs in the field of cosmetic science and have more than 10 years experience in this field. Also, I am a central government certified TOT trainer and I have been conducting online and offline workshops. I have trained over 5,000 people, helped a lot of men and women to become a cosmetics formulator. And this is our academy, Institute of Cosmetic Science, which was started in the year 2012. And we conduct diploma courses in the field of cosmetic science. Our academy is affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation, and our trainers are also central government certified. And these are the certificates of our academy. Our academy is ISO certified, MSME certified, NISD certified. Also, we are a lifetime member of the International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, so that the certificate which is given by our academy is also internationally valid. And this is our GST certificate, NSDC affiliation, and incorporation certificate. So why I am showing you the certificates of our academy is because we believe that learning from a proper academy and getting a proper certificate that you are a certified cosmetics formulator and then starting a cosmetics business is very important to become successful in this field. So if you want to start your own cosmetics brand, first you have to learn cosmetic science, get certified from a proper academy. And that too, in India, Institute of Cosmetic Science is the only academy where you can learn cosmetic science from scratch. So how many of you believe, if you agree that learning from a proper academy is very important for starting your own cosmetics brand? Type agree in the chat box. Siddiqui and Kadarnis, Shirisha, Aditi, Yogeshwari, Dhanapakyam, Anamika, Karuna, Bindu, Mohandas. So everybody agree, right? That learning from a proper central government affiliated academy and getting a proper certificate. So if you see our certificate, we have all the seals of the affiliations we have. We have our registration numbers on the top. So only then it will be a proper registered certificate. So if you randomly learn something online or something from an individual, it is not going to be valid for you. That too, a field like cosmetic science, only when you learn from a proper academy, when you get a proper certificate, then you will be able to start your own business confidently, without any fear, without anything. You will be a certified cosmetics formulator and confidently you can start your business. So when we formulate our own cosmetic products, definitely we'll be using safe, natural ingredients, right? We'll not be using any harsh chemicals. And in this course, we teach to formulate personalized and customized products according to your skin type and the preferences. And we teach formulation from scratch. That is, we do not use any cream base or soap base or shampoo base. Everything we teach from scratch so that you can save a lot of money also. And definitely we'll be using some safe like chemicals also, because we are teaching cosmetic products which are used by doctors for their patients, which are used by beauticians for like beauty parlor purpose, for facial, and which are used by makeup artists for their customers. And we have so many homemakers who are doing retail business. We have college going students who are doing bulk supplying also. And we have small business owners who are making the product and selling in their shops. So it is all professional quality cosmetic products which we are teaching. And the product shelf life, the expiry date of the product is minimum 1 year till 3 years. And the products which we are teaching is also suitable for kids above 8 years. And every ingredient we are using in the product will be professional quality ingredient, luxury category ingredient. So the product also you have to sell it for a higher price than the market based products. So as I said, we are going to ask to the customer about the skin type of the customer, and then we are going to formulate customized products. So there are 5 different types of skin: oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, and sensitive skin. So if why we are asking this question to the customer is because if the customer has oily skin type, then every ingredient we are going to use in the product is going to be a lightweight skin friendly ingredient for oily skin type, like grapeseed oil or rosehip oil, apricot kernel oil. Same product when we are formulating for a customer with dry skin, we are going to use ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or we are going to use sweet almond oil or coconut oil. Rich and thick oils will be using for dry skin people. So asking this question is also very important before formulating a product. So in the diploma in skincare formulation course, we are going to teach to formulate 50 types of cosmetic products, starting from gels, creams, scrubs, face packs, soaps, body lotions, bath bombs, serum. Every product you need for starting your own cosmetics business will be teaching in this course. So let me explain about every product so that you get complete understanding about what ingredients we are using in the product, what is the making cost, what is the selling cost. So let us start with the face gel. So this is a red wine face gel. So like this, you can also formulate saffron face gel and different types of natural face gel. So face gel is a product which is very moisturizing, which is very hydrating. It makes the skin very soft and supple. Once you apply a face gel, it gives a very cooling sensation for your skin, and it treats the, if you have irritation or inflammation in the skin, it is a great treatment for that. And the product, the face gels are very lightweight, and we do not use any oils in the formulation. So it will get quickly absorbed into the skin, and it is suitable for oily skin or sensitive skin also. We are teaching 8 types of face gel in the diploma in skincare formulation course. That is saffron gel, pomegranate gel, anti-acne gel, red wine gel, green tea gel, cucumber gel, aloe vera gel, and chamomile gel. These 8 types of gel we are teaching in the course. So these are all the beautiful products which are formulated by our students. So face gel, not only what we are teaching in the course, our students are making different types of cosmetic products. For making a face gel, you can invest 50 till 60 or 70 rupees, depends on what ingredient you are choosing. So the selling cost of the face gel will be up to 10 times the making cost. If you are investing like 50 rupees, you can sell it up to 500 rupees. And next is face cream. Face cream is a product which is very nourishing for the skin because it includes ingredients like which are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and botanical extracts. So it is very nourishing for the skin. Face creams cannot be only moisturizers, so it can be anti-aging creams, it can be skin whitening creams, it can be anti-acne creams. Accordingly, the ingredients will differ. So we are using ingredients like almond oil, jojoba oil, sandalwood powder, red wine, saffron. So it is very rich. And we are teaching 4 types of face cream. That is whitening sandalwood cream, light moisturizing cream, anti-aging red wine cream, brightening saffron cream. Sirisha, thank you so much. All the ingredients are very interesting, rich and luxury category ingredients. And these are all the different types of face creams formulated by our students. So many of our students are making beautiful creams like the one which you're seeing on the screen, red wine screen. We use like in 100 grams of red wine cream, we are using like 60 percentage of red wine in it. So it is very, very rich. So you can invest 50 to 60 rupees for making a cream. But if you're using very costly ingredient, accordingly, the making cost will increase. And you can sell it up to 10 times. If you're investing 60 rupees, you can sell it up to 600 rupees. Next is face scrub. So face scrub is also a product which is very, very important for our skin. So this is a sweet orange and brightening face scrub. So this is a chocolate and coffee face scrub, which is very famous these days. So face scrubs we are using for exfoliating the skin to remove the dead cells and from the skin and to clean the pores very deeply. So when the pores are clean and when the skin is like the dead cells and the tan is removed from the skin, so the acne issues, whiteheads and blackheads, all these issues will reduce and it greatly improves the complexion of the skin. So we are using ingredients like rose powder, activated charcoal, walnut powder, orange peel powder, chocolate powder, coffee powder. So it is very rich. We are teaching 5 types of face scrub, that is charcoal scrub, rose scrub, sweet orange scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub. And these are all the products which are formulated by our students. So the making cost of a face scrub is around like 40 to 50 rupees. You can sell it up to 10 times the making cost. Next is face pack. So face pack is a product which has an ingredient called as mineral clay. So this is a mixed fruits face pack, and we also have anti-acne face pack. Anti-acne face pack has a French green clay in it. So in every face pack, there is a mineral clay. So Kanak Soni, kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So face pack has an ingredient called as mineral clay, which will draw out the impurities from the skin, excess oils and toxins from the skin, and it gives a deep cleansing effect. It cleans the pores and prevents blackheads and whiteheads. It greatly improves the skin tone. It makes the skin very fairer, and because it is removing the tan greatly and it removes the impurities, and you can see before using the product and after using the product, you can see visible result. So we are using ingredients like rose clay, kaolin clay, walnut powder, pink clay, and strawberry powder, French green clay, calamine clay. All these beautiful ingredients have been used in the face pack. So Shabnur, oily skin face pack. For oily skin, you can use mixed fruits face pack. Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack will be very, very good. So we are teaching 6 types of face pack. That is spirulina and French green clay face pack, herbal uptan and rice face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, mixed fruits face pack, rose and kaolin clay face pack, and anti-acne face pack. Sony, kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So for making a face pack, you can invest like 50 to 70 rupees. You can sell it up to 10 times the making cost. Next is face wash. So even though if we do not use any makeup products, definitely everybody will be using a face wash, right? So face wash will effectively clean the dirt, makeup, impurities from the skin. It clears the pores and also it prevents the acne issues, and also the excess oils will be clean. So all this, it has to do within the very less time we are using a face wash, right? We use the face wash and we wash it off. So it has to be very thick and it has to be very powerful. So that is why we are using ingredients like uptan extract, coffee extract, rose extract, kaolin clay, neem and turmeric extract, saffron extract. That is why when you look on the screen, the face wash looks very thick because of all the extracts. We are teaching 5 types of face wash, that is 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, anti-acne face wash, Uptan face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash. And these are all the brands which have been started by our students who are selling different types of face wash. So in today's session, I'll be showing you around 100 types of 100 brands which have been started by our students, different types of products which they are making. Because as I said, many of our students are brand owners. Many of them, they have started their own brand and they are making beautiful products. So in today's session, I'll be showing you a lot of brands which have been started by our students. So for making a face wash, you can invest 20 to 40 rupees. Selling price is up to 10 times. Next is melt and pour soap. So melt and pour soap is a transparent soap like this. This is a red wine soap. So if you do not use any red wine in it, then it will be a complete transparent soap, right? So you can make big blocks of this soap, and when you get orders from your customers, you can cut the required amount of melt and pour soap, and then you can like melt it and use the mold which your customers asking. Use the colors, fragrance, and herbs, exfoliants according to your customer's request, and then you can design and you can give it for your customer. It is very gentle, it is very moisturizing, and it has ingredients like saffron extracts, red wine, sandalwood powder, licorice powder, goat milk powder. So it is very rich. We are teaching 5 types of melt and pour soap, that is saffron soap, red wine soap, tan removal soap, goat milk soap, and anti-acne soap. And next is cold process soap. Cold process soap is basically a luxury product, not like a melt and pour soap, because it is made using oils, butters, herbs, and essential oil. It is very gentle, it is very nourishing, and it provides all the moisture required for the skin. It can be used even for kids. Even in the lather, when you use the product, melt and pour soap, the lather will be transparent. In cold process soap, the lather will be rich and creamy because of all the ingredients which are very, very rich. So, Shabnur, when you enroll in the course, you will get the method of preparation for all these products. And we are using ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. So it is very rich. So we are teaching 4 types of cold process soap, that is baby bathing bath, shea cocoa mango butter luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. And these are all the melt and pour soap and cold process soaps which are formulated by our students. So our students, many of them, they have their own brand. They are selling beautiful cosmetic products. They have labeled it and packed it professionally. They are selling these products, and many of our students are earning in lakhs by selling all these natural cosmetic products. So the course fee, duration of the course, everything I will explain after explaining the syllabus of the course. So next is body lotion. So body lotion is also a product which is a luxury category product, because all the ingredients which we are using is luxury category ingredients. So body lotion is meant to moisturize the skin and to hydrate the skin, to prevent dryness and to give complete moisture for the skin. It makes the skin very soft and smooth, and it creates a barrier on the skin so that the oil that is the moisture from the skin doesn't get lost. So Kadan is, once you enroll in the course, you will learn how to formulate the product. So let me complete the course syllabus. After that, we'll talk about that. So we are using ingredients like aloe vera, apricot kernel oil, macadamia nut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. So it is very, very rich. These ingredients you can never find in a market-based products. We are teaching 3 types of lotions, that is baby soft super absorbent lotion, aloe vera, tea tree, lavender, vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing and moisturizing lotion. And selling cost of a lotion can be 200 till 400. Next is bath bomb. So bath bomb is a international product which we are teaching in the course. So this big bath bomb can be used in the bathtub. Small bath bomb are very much preferred these days. It is in huge demand because it is used for premium pedicure in the beauty parlors. So it has ingredients like essential oils and fragrance oil, which are aromatherapy ingredients, which is meant to provide relaxation and reduce the stress level. And also it has ingredient called as Epsom salt, which will cure the tired muscles. If you have leg pain, if you have inflammation, definitely when you use this in a bucket of warm water, and when you dip your legs in it, all the leg pain will vanish. So yes, definitely, Shabnur will be providing the raw material supplier information in affordable price. And we are using ingredients like almond oil, sea salt, lavender, kaolin clay. So it is very rich. We are teaching two types of bath bomb. That is lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb. Next is lip care products. So lip care products contain ingredients which will hydrate and moisturize the lips, which will prevent dryness, chapping, and flakiness in the lips. So we teach lipstick and lip balm, lip serum, lip scrub, which when you look at it, it will be like a market-based product. But all the ingredients which we have used is natural ingredients which will soothe the lips, and also ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, which will repair the damaged lips. So we are using ingredients like castor oil, beetroot powder, glycerin, shea butter, which is very rich. We are teaching four types of lip care products, that is lipstick, lip balm, lip scrub, and lip serum. So these are all the beautiful products which are formulated by our students. So the lipsticks and lip balm which has different flavors, different colors, lip serums which are formulated by our students. So it is very much fast moving, it is very much preferred by everyone, and that is the reason our students are earning a lot by selling these beautiful cosmetic products. Yes, Epsom salt increases relaxation and improves mood, definitely. Next is shampoo and conditioner. So in this shampoo and conditioner, we are using an ingredient called as keratin. So keratin is an ingredient which is present in the hair, which is a protein which is meant for strengthening the hair and for reducing the breakage and split ends in the hair. So it makes the hair very smooth and manageable, and it also improves the elasticity in the hair. So when you use a straightener or curler, the hair will not break. So we are teaching two types of hair care products, that is keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. So our students are selling shampoo alone for 400, shampoo and conditioner together for 1000 onwards. And next is face serum. Face serum is the last product that we are teaching in the course. So face serum is oil based, which contains ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, and grapeseed oil, which will provide intense hydration for the skin. And also it nourishes the skin because of the ingredients like vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids. And it is very lightweight. It gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. So we are teaching two types of face serum, that is serum for acne prone skin and 24 karat gold serum. And the 24 karat gold serum, our students are selling 15 ml of the serum for 500 onwards. So any of you can guess how many products I have explained till now in the course, about the course, how many products I have explained till now? You can type in the chat box. No, it is not 10 types of products. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can guess in the chat box. No, it is not 8 types. Yogeshwari, you are close. So, Karuna, Yogeshwari, yes, you are correct. Shrini, not 30 types. Okay, not 9, 15. So let me explain. In today's session, we have explained about our diploma in skincare formulation course. I have explained about all the products in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So I have explained about 50 types of products. In the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, we are teaching 50 types of skincare products. So in this course, Diploma in Skincare Formulation, we teach formulation from scratch. Every single information will be there. Every step will be shown in the video, like weighing the ingredient, heating it, blending it. Every step will be shown, every step will be explained. And once the product is ready, we will be transferring it into the container. Still, from getting the ingredient till packing the product, every step will be explained. So even if we are using any ingredient, what is the benefit of that ingredient also will be explained. Like aloe vera, we use it for treating burns, injuries, and cuts. Pomegranates for its antioxidant properties, anti-aging properties. Green tea for skin irritation and redness. Neem for acne and pimples. Saffron for whitening the skin. Herbal powder for its therapeutic benefits. Mineral clay, we use it for inflammation in the skin. We use it for removing the excess oil from the skin. Sweet almond oil to improve the complexion of the skin. Jojoba oil and coconut oil are used for its anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil for skin repair. And yes, Kadanes, you're right. So we are using different type of therapeutic essential oils also, like tea tree oil, we use it for acne issues. Lavender oil, we use it for gentle moisturization. Geranium oil for aging related issues. And we use different types of special ingredients, like red wine, we use it in the gel, we use it in the soaps for giving a glow for the skin. We use sandalwood powder in the creams for skin whitening and to reduce the acne issues. And goat milk powder, we use it in the soaps for repairing the skin damage. We use beetroot powder in lip balm and lip scrub for brightening the lips. So all these special ingredients also, why we are using, how much we are using, what benefit, everything we are going to learn. It is not only by joining the course, you're not only learning the formulation, you are going to learn about a lot of ingredients also. So many of you ask this question, like from where to get the packaging ingredients, from where to get the raw materials. So all the packaging ingredients and raw materials, supplier information we have given inside the course. We have suppliers in South India and North India. All the information is there inside the course. You can contact them and you can order the raw materials. So rosemary essential oil is antioxidant properties. And Neelam, all the supplier information is there inside the course. You don't have to worry. You can order the raw materials. They will send it to your address. Many of you ask this question, what are the certificates required for starting your cosmetics business? So initially, you don't need any certificate for starting your business. But when you want to go to a medium scale level, first we'll be starting from our home, right? We'll be starting from the kitchen and we'll be starting from our home. For handmade cosmetic products, you don't need to get any certificate. But when you want to start selling in the shops, when you want to expand your business, you can apply for a MSME certificate online and you can get it and you can start selling the product. And GST certificate is only when you're going to sell in Amazon or Flipkart, then you can apply for a GST certificate. So license is given only for large scale business. When you want to set up a factory and you want to sell in large scale level, you can get a license. But here, let us focus on small scale and medium scale level. So Kader, then definitely it will be very easy for you to start your business. So there are a lot of benefits when you study from the Institute of Cosmetic Science, because our academy is a central government affiliated academy and you get a very valuable certificate, and also you get this memento when you apply for a hard copy of the certificate after you complete the course. And also the course in you'll be having 122 lessons. So it will be lesson wise learning. It is a diploma course. So it will be lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 till lesson 122. Same way how it happens in the academy, the same way lessons will be there. You will be learning lesson by lesson. And you can start learning from your own place. That is, you can learn during the weekends. You can learn during like whenever you find time, you can log in and access the classes, because we are giving lifetime access for the course. Usually when you join through our website, the access period will be 1 year, but in today's session, when you enroll during this webinar, you're going to get lifetime access for the course. Yes, it is an online course. It is pre-recorded classes, and duration of the course, as I said, there is no fixed duration. It is 122 lessons. So you will be learning lesson by lesson. If you learn one lesson in a day, it will be 122 days. If you learn 2-3 lessons in a day, you can complete it within a month. So as a business, beauty and skincare business is a very profitable business, and handmade cosmetic products can be sold for a higher price than the market-based products. And you can start your cosmetics business from your own home. And after COVID, the demand for the cosmetic products is very, very high, and you can earn in lakhs by starting your cosmetics business. So many of you have joined late for your sake, and some of you who have missed the syllabus, I am quickly explaining the syllabus of the course. After that, you will be getting a webinar special offer for enrolling in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course has 12 modules. That is gel making course, cream making course, scrub making course, face pack making course, bubble and fizzy bath bomb making course, serum making course, face wash making course, melt and pour soap making course, cold process soap making course, lotion making course, lip products making course, and shampoo and conditioner making course. In module 1, in introduction module, you will be learning what is cosmetic science and what do we learn in skincare formulation, skin science, anatomy and physiology, tools and equipments required for making cosmetic products, calculating formulas, supplier information to purchase raw materials. Module 2, you'll be learning 8 types of gels, that is healing aloe vera gel, cooling cucumber gel, brightening saffron gel, anti-acne neem gel, antioxidant green tea gel, anti-aging red wine gel, pomegranate skin lightening gel, chamomile under eye gel. Module 3, you will be learning 4 types of creams, that is light moisturizing cream, brightening saffron cream, anti-aging red wine cream, whitening sandalwood cream. Module 4, you will be learning 5 types of scrubs, that is emulsified rose scrub, sweet orange and almond brightening scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub, charcoal scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub. Module 5, you will be learning 6 types of face pack, that is rose and kaolin clay face pack, mixed herbs powder and rice face pack, mixed fruits face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, anti-acne face pack, spirulina and French green clay face pack. Module 6, you will be learning 5 types of face wash, that is mixed herbs face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash, 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, anti-acne face wash. Module 7, you will be learning 5 types of melt and pour soaps, that is saffron soap, tan removal soap, skin polishing soap, anti-acne soap, and red wine soap. Module 8, you will be learning 4 types of cold process soap, that is baby bathing bar, shea cocoa mango butter luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. Module 9, you will be learning 3 types of lotions, that is baby soap super absorbent lotion, aloe vera tea tree lavender vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing and moisturizing lotion. Module 10, you will be learning 2 types of bath bomb, that is lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb. Module 11, you will be learning lipstick formulation, lip balm formulation, lip scrub formulation, and lip serum formulation. Module 12, you will be learning keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. Module 13, you'll be learning two types of serum, that is serum for acne prone skin and 24 karat gold serum. So in the last module, you get all the answers about the certificates involved in cosmetics industry, raw materials used in cosmetics, how to check the pH of the product, how to pack the product, label the product, and preservatives used in cosmetic products. So the diploma in skincare formulation course, which has 122 lessons, 12 modules, in which you are going to learn to formulate 50 types of cosmetic products. The actual value of the course is 24,999. So now let me know how many of you want to become a professional cosmetics formulator and start your own cosmetics business. Only for you, we are going to give you a special offer. You can type me in the chat box if you want to really become a cosmetics formulator, get certified from the India's only Institute of Cosmetic Science, learn cosmetic science, and then start your own cosmetics brand. Karuna, Sirisha, Anamika, Yashu, Dhanabhakyam, Bindu, everybody want to become a cosmetics formulator, right? So definitely you can also become a cosmetics formulator by enrolling in the course, because we have got so many of you who are interested in cosmetic science. We are giving you special offer, the complete course for just rupees 4,999. So don't miss this opportunity. You can scan this QR code, make a payment of rupees 4,999. This is a webinar special offer. Only for the participants of today's session, you are getting this course worth rupees 24,999 just for rupees 4,999. So don't miss this opportunity. You are going to get a course, diploma course. You're going to learn cosmetic science from the India's only Institute of Cosmetic Science, and then you are going to become a cosmetics formulator. Definitely this course will help you to start your own cosmetics business, just like our students. So in today's session, I've shown you so many brands which have been started by our students. So like our students, if you also want to start your own brand and you want to earn money just like our students, then this is a great opportunity for you. So Preeti Hair Care Products, you'll be learning shampoo and conditioner, different types of shampoo and conditioner. So in this course, you're going to learn skincare, complete skincare products. If you want to supply for beauty parlors, you can make a complete facial kit and you can supply for beauty parlors. You can start selling in Instagram. You can sell through YouTube. You can sell through Amazon, Flipkart. If you are a doctor, you can make products for your patients. So there are different ways to sell the products. That too, nowadays, nobody is buying products from like going to the shop or anything. Everybody are buying products through online only. So the demand for products that are sold in online, because the main reason is everybody are transparent in online. We show what all ingredients we are using, how we are making the product, what are the steps, everything we are sharing in Instagram. We are showing you, we are explaining and doing everything, right? So trusting people and then they are buying the product, rather than trusting some advertisement or something random and buying. So definitely when you start your own brand, when you make videos of the product you're making process every day, if you keep posting, and you don't even have to show your face or anything, you just take a video, make a informative video, because in this course there is 122 lessons. Every day there will be learning experience. So every day when you learn and when you explain that in your videos, definitely you can also become successful just like our students. Definitely you will also start getting orders. So don't miss this opportunity. So Karuna, this is skincare formulation course. This is cosmetic products formulation. The syllabus which I have explained, that every product will be there. So Preeti, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot to 8807467385. This is the same number in which you have received all the details of today's webinar through WhatsApp. So, Nasrin, today itself we'll create an account for you. We'll send you the login details. You can log in and you can start the classes. So, after this webinar, we'll be closing the offer, and then the course fee will go to 9,999 in our website also. So, those of you who are asking for GPay, PhonePe number, I'm sharing it. In the chat box, so you can make a note of it. You can make the payment using your GPay, PhonePe also. You can scan this QR code or make the payment. Some of you who are asking for the credit card and debit card payment, you can use the website and you can make the payment. So I'm sharing the website with you. So other than this, if any of you have any doubts, you can post in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So Yugeshwari, I'm sharing the number again. So, Nasreen Babu, maximum we can extend till 10 p.m. today, because this is a webinar special offer, and this offer is given from the Institute of Cosmetic Science. I am also working in the Institute of Cosmetic Science, so this is not from me. So, this special offer, you can make the payment till 10 p.m. max. So, Ramya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that you'll get a confirmation from our team. So, Karuna, there will be 122 lessons. Classes, it is pre-recorded classes, so you can start any day. So, the videos also, 50 videos will be there. You can see the videos and you can start the classes. And Nasreen, you can do it maximum till 10 p.m. You can make the payment. Other than that, we cannot extend the offer. Sorry. Yogeshwari, if you want to make the payment tomorrow, you can make a payment of rupees 1,000. We'll hold your seat for 24 hours maximum. And definitely, Bindu, you can do that. And Farhana, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And so, Siddiqui, kindly join the course, enroll in the course, and then you can learn about everything, because cosmetic science is not something you can learn in one day. It is a very elaborate subject. And this course is a beginner friendly course. So, definitely you can also learn online. So, for bank payment, kindly watch us. WhatsApp to this numbers, the screenshot number you can WhatsApp, and our team will help you with the bank details. So Nazreen, duration, it is 122 lessons. So if you watch one lesson in a day, it will be 122 days. So if you watch 2, 3 lessons in a day, you can complete the course within a month itself. So this is our Facebook support group. So once you enroll in the course, you will become a part of this group too. So whenever you have any doubts, whenever you make any product, you can post in this group so that I'll be able to answer your question. So this group will be a great motivation for you, because we have so many of our students. In today's session, I've shown you more than 100 brands which have been started by our students. So many of our students are brand owners. They are making beautiful cosmetic products, and whenever they make any product, they post in this group. So this group will be a great motivation for you. So Shabno, definitely you can pay in 2 days, but the course fee will be 9,999. So those of you who are planning to pay later, all our students have paid 9,999 and enrolled in the course. That is the usual charges when you join through our website. So don't miss this opportunity. If you want the offer, then you can pay now and then you can join. But if you want to join later, the course fee will be 9,999. So this is our Facebook support group where we have all our students. Whenever they make any products, they post in this group, and there is no exam. So you'll have to make the products, and you'll have to you have to learn all the lessons. Only we will check if you have completed 50% of the course, and then you have applied for the certificate. Based on that, we'll be giving you the certificate. And So, Yogeshwari, there is no competition for natural cosmetic products. Competition is there for like chemical-based products. So, for natural cosmetic products, there is a huge demand because after the influence of social media, so many of women and childrens and kids, everybody, teenagers, everybody are using cosmetic products. Everybody want to maintain their skin and everybody want to use cosmetic products because even doctors, everybody are posting, right, that maintaining skin is very important and using cosmetic products is very important. So that is why there is a huge demand for natural cosmetic products. So you can see so many of our students, they have successfully launched their own brand and they are getting a lot of requests, they are getting a lot of orders. And as I said, the natural cosmetic products has to be sold for a higher price than the market based products. So the profit margin is also very, very good in natural cosmetic products. Also, you are going to get a very valuable certificate. You are going to learn a new subject. Cosmetic science is a very, very interesting field. So you are going to learn something new and you are going to get certified from the Institute of Cosmetic Science. You are going to become a professional cosmetics formulator. So usually our students, when we started, they have paid like 9,999. They have enrolled in this course and they are studying. And today you're getting this same course for just rupees 4,999. Many of you said that it is your dream to become a cosmetics formulator. So if you really want to make your dream come true, now it is the great time for you. And so Padma, you will get the replay tomorrow in WhatsApp. And so Yogeshwari, you can use your own kitchen. So many of our students, they are making all these products from their kitchen only to make a small lab. What are the ingredients? What are the things you'll need? All that will be there inside the course itself. So you don't have to worry. And any other question if you want to ask to me? Nisha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So we have very limited seats in offer price. We'll be closing the offer in very less time once the seats are full. So don't miss this opportunity. After that, even during the webinar also, if the seats gets closed, then you'll have to pay 9,999. So no one will be making so many products, right, without getting orders. They are making so many products, so many number of products because they are getting a lot of orders. So as I said, now the demand for this natural cosmetic products is very high. So that is the reason our students are getting a lot of orders and they are making this so many products and they are earning a lot of money. So these are all the brands which have been started by our students, so many of our students. And why we are keeping a webinar and we are taking only very selected people for our course is because we want only serious students who want to really achieve in life, who want to really become successful, who want to really enter into the field of cosmetic science. That is the reason we are keeping a webinar and we are only taking closed set of people who really want to become successful, because in that, in student success only, our success also, the academy success is also there. So that is the reason we are giving you a special offer also. So don't miss this opportunity. So Yogeshwari, this certificate is a very valuable certificate, ISO certified, MSME certified, NSDC certified. So if you want to get a MSME loan also, you can use the certified certificate. This is equivalent to a government certified. So it is a great value. Many of our students, they just have only this certificate and they have started the great brands and they are making beautiful cosmetic products and they are earning a lot. So what you are investing today, you will get back within a month. So only thing that you have to follow is make videos, take photographs of the products like this. When you make a product, take a video or take a photo and keep posting in your page. Today itself, you can start a Facebook page in your business name. And once you make products, take photos and videos and keep posting. Sirisha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number and screenshot. And those of you who are asking for credit card payment, you can use our website and you can make the payment using your credit card or debit card. And Yashu, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So I'm sharing the website again. So you can use this website. And Bindu, okay, noted. You can make the payment accordingly. And yes, Padma, this is a beginner friendly course, so there is no background in cosmetology is not required. So as I said, we have students who are doctors, even we have students who are beauticians, homemakers, everybody they do this course, so you don't have to worry about that. So you will also be able to learn, you will also be able to definitely make professional quality products just like our students. So this is a great opportunity for you. We also have monthly question answer session. So any question, if you want to ask directly to me, you can join the monthly question answer session. And yes, definitely, Yogeshwari. You can start your business after, like, once you are confident enough, after learning, once you are confident enough to launch your brand, definitely you can also start your brand. So it is only like a few lessons when you learn, like first module or second module, you'll definitely become confident enough for launching your own cosmetics brand. It is a very detailed explanation. Every product, everything that we are teaching, we give a very detailed explanation so that you are not stuck anywhere. So this group also will be a great motivation for you, because every day you can see so many of our students posting in the group, whatever products they make, they keep posting in this group. So we will also be encouraging our students, and definitely this group is going to be a great motivation for you. And you can also use natural ingredients, you can also make these beautiful products. So many of our students, they joined from, like, they wanted to earn money, and they were Oriflame, Tupperware products they used to sell. They were promoting other companies, foreign companies brand, right? The Oriflame is a foreign company, Tupperware is a foreign company, and our students, like, who are from India, they are making like, they are using their own money, they are using their time and promoting a foreign company's product. After joining the Institute of Cosmetic Science, they started their own brand, they started their own company. And after that, the time and money they are using is for developing their own company. So it will be a great asset for you, and for your kids' future also. It will be a great motivation for them, right? Of seeing you become successful, definitely it will encourage them to achieve just like you. So, Mohandas, definitely you can. And for using the credit card, you can use our website. So I'm sharing the website again. I've shared the website already. In the website, you can make the payment using the credit card. And so Yogeshwari, during the course and after the course also, medium to contact me is through this Facebook support group and monthly question answer session also. It will be for lifetime. It is not only during the course. After doing the course also, you can join the monthly question answer session, because once you start your own business, many times you will be having some doubts, right? Which you want to talk with us and which you want to clarify with us. So definitely after you start your business also, you can join the course, you can join the monthly question answer session, and you can ask your questions directly to us. So this group, you can use this group whenever you make any products, you can use this group and you can post your products in this. It will be a great motivation for you as well as our students. So don't miss this opportunity. This is not like some online class, something that you're going to learn and it will be like of no use. It is a great opportunity. This is from a proper academy. This is not from a individual. It is not from me. I I am just the trainer in the academy. It is from an academy, and you are going to become a certified cosmetics formulator, and then you are going to start your brand, and then you're going to make products, and then you're going to earn a lot of money. It is a process, right? So definitely support will be there throughout the process. So you can also become like our students. It is not something that I'm telling you, I am showing you what our students have done. So what they have achieved, what they are doing every day. So after joining the course, whenever you find time, instead of watching Instagram, instead of doing something, you can make these beautiful products. You can learn. So for example, if you're going to make this red wine gel, you can invest 500 rupees. You can buy the products for making all the gel, and you can make the gel, and then you can sell this product. One product itself, one red wine gel itself, you will be getting all the investment which you have done. So it is a very, very profitable business. It is not something that you are going to invest a lot of money. You just invest 500 or 1000 rupees, the money which we spend in Zomato or we spend in Swiggy. That money you can invest, and you can buy the ingredients, and then you can sell the products, and then you can like improve, increase the number of products. So definitely, age is just a number, so you don't have to worry about that. Definitely, we have students in all age doing the course successfully, so you don't have to worry about that. Confidently, you can do this course. So let us see some reviews. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that you get a confirmation from our team. So let us see a review from one of our student who's an international student who has completed the course.
Hi, I want to thank NIFDTB for their amazing course, and I had a wonderful time learning from Rexy ma'am. She was amazing and very helpful throughout the entire process. Thank you.
So we have students from all over the world who has completed the course and started their business, and they are earning a lot of money. They are very, very successful after starting this business, because now the demand for this business is very, very high. So the main reason is social media, because every day we are seeing ads and reels, everything informative information about all these ingredients, what are the benefits of using natural ingredients. So when you introduce a cosmetic product using a natural ingredient, definitely you will also be able to earn like them. So we have so many doctors who have done the course, and they are making products for their patients. So let us see a review from a doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bharti Kumar, and it was a really nice experience to have the learnings from your institute. And I'm very sure that all of you might be helping thousands of people to stand up on their own feet and be independent financially. The course is well designed, well explained, and I'm happy that I completed my learnings from your institute. Thanks a lot.
Yogeshwari, our academy is in Hosur in Tamil Nadu only. So if you come to Hosur, then you can meet us. So Priya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And Suganya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So we'll be closing the offer in very less time. We have allotted very less seats. So all the seats are getting filled. So if you are still waiting to make the payment, then you might miss the opportunity to pay only 50% of the course fee and enroll in the course. So don't miss this opportunity. I know that your dreams are bigger than 4,999 rupees. So don't miss this opportunity. Once you miss this opportunity, then we increase the price. After that, I won't be able to help you with the offer. So we have so many students who are homemakers, who have done the course, and then they have become an entrepreneur. They are making beautiful cosmetic products. Let us hear a review from a homemaker.
Hi, this is Ishwari Preetham. So I did a diploma course in cosmetology in your academy. and it is very very useful to me. I am able to start a small scale business, and customers are regularly asking for face washes, melt and pour soaps. That is going on well. Thank you so much for introducing me to all these.
Yogeshwari, you're most welcome. So, any of you, if you have any doubts in your mind, you have any questions in your mind, you can post it in the chat box because we are about to close today's session so that I'll be able to answer all your questions before I leave. So, this course is not only for women, it is for both men and women. Let us see another review.
Hello, my name is Gautam and I am the student of Diploma in Skincare Formulations. I find the course affordable and a great platform to learn the basics of cosmetic science. I heartily thanks to Institute of Cosmetic Science for helping me to formulate various cosmetic products like gels, shampoos, creams, bath bombs and many more. And they also help me to solve all my doubts while formulating. So thank you again. Thank you to the team.
So till now, I've shown you hundreds of brands. I've shown you so many success stories, so many products which have been done by our students. So it is not something that I'm telling you. I've shown you so many of the brands which have been started by our students. So I know everybody want to start your own brand. It is also your dream to become successful like our students. So even our students, they did not have money to pay 9,999 to enroll in the course. So they had to borrow money from parents, from husband and others, and they had enrolled in the course. Now they are making in lakhs, they are making beautiful products, they are entrepreneurs today because they took one decision that they are going to become successful. Any successful person, if you talk with them, they would have taken some decision in their life which has made them successful. And this is a great opportunity for you to make yourself, your life successful, and don't miss this opportunity just because of 4,999. So Sirisha, as I said, I am very active in the Facebook support group. So through that, you'll be getting the support anywhere you are stuck, any product, any step, any calculations you are stuck. Definitely, you can post in that group, and in 1 or 2 days, I will be replying in that. And we have monthly support group, student support sessions will be there, live Zoom session will be there. There also you can join and you can ask your questions whenever you have any doubts, whenever you have any questions. There you can ask, but instead of waiting till that, you can post in the Facebook support group. It is not only me that that is going to help you, but we have all our students who are cosmetics formulators. They have been traveling with us from 2019. So all our students, they are also equally good as me. They will also be replying to you. So support will be 100%. That is definitely there. So you don't have to worry about that. You're most welcome. And so one product you can make from 30 to like 35, 40 minutes, you can make one product. So it is not going to take much time. Easily you can make maximum, I'm telling you, like 30 to 35 minutes, you can make the product. So these are all the other brands which have been started by our students. So I want to I want you all to know about our brands, our student success stories, which will give you a lot of confidence. Sirisha, I'm sorry, the Facebook support group is only for the students. So in the first lesson of the course, we have given the Facebook support link. The group link will be there inside the Facebook support group. So let us see our demo video, one of the demo video. After that, we'll be closing admissions for the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So those of you still thinking and still waiting for enroll in the course, this is the right time for you to enroll in the course. So I'll answer the questions in the chat box after the demo video. Today we'll see how to make a anti-acne face mask. For that, first we'll measure the phase A ingredients, that is coconut oil, Next we'll take emulsifying wax. So we have phase A ready. Next we'll prepare phase B, that is we'll take DM water, that is next we'll take vegetable glycerin. So we have phase B ready. And now we'll measure phase C. For phase C we'll take neem powder. So here you can substitute the powders which you have. So we have taken all the powders which have antibacterial and antifungal properties in it. For that we are taking pure neem powder. This next we'll take multani mitti powder. Next I'm taking turmeric powder. This is the turmeric which is specifically used for face. So this is not the one which we use for cooking. Should not add more as it will leave a yellow color tint if it is more. So only 1 gram is recommended. And gram powder. So you can use the basin gram powder. And moong dal powder, this is also. Next we are going to take calamine clay. Calamine clay is very good for healing wounds. So we have taken all the powders: neem powder, multani mitti, turmeric, gram powder, moong dal powder and calamine clay. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for the anti-acne face pack. Next, once it reaches 70 degree, we'll transfer the water phase into a bowl. And then add the oil phase to it. Next we'll use a blender to blend it into. After blending, we'll add the powders one by one. We'll add the clay, the multani methi powder, the gram flour, moong dal powder, turmeric powder and neem powder. Now we'll blend it. It has formed into a creamy pack. It will harden further once it cools down. Now it has reached below 40 degrees. So we'll add So to this we'll add the preservative, one ml. This doesn't need any artificial colors or essential oils. It has everything needed for a anti-acne pack. So this is a herbal formulation. This will stay wet until it comes in contact with air. So after application, within like 20 minutes it will get dry, and after that you can remove this pack. This will give instant fairness and remove the acne when applying weekly once. You can see it has formed a nice creamy pack, and the texture, the required texture or required consistency is when you turn the spatula, it should not fall down quickly. So this is the consistency of a pack. So now we'll transfer it to a container. It has a very nice natural fragrance in it. So hence we don't have to add any oil, artificial fragrance for it. This is a scrub cum pack, so while applying you can give a light massage for the scrubbing effect, since it has all the powders which gives a scrubbing effect. After that you can let it dry and then remove after 20 to 25 minutes. So we have our anti-acne pack ready. Thank you for watching the video. definitely, Yogeshwari. We have received your booking amount. We'll hold your seat for 24 hours. So others, those who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that we'll be able to confirm your payment. So this course is very, very beneficial for content creators. If you keep posting in Instagram, in YouTube, if it is your interest, every day you're going to learn something new. And also, when you are the cosmetics formulator and you are making videos and you are promoting your business, it creates a personal branding, and definitely people looking at you again and again, it will be a great trust factor, and definitely they will start buying the products from you. And you'll be getting a lot of content which you can post in Instagram. So for example, if you take this red wine gel, instead of red wine, if you use even coconut, like coffee extract or hibiscus extract, you'll be able to formulate hibiscus gel, coffee gel. So different types of products also you can make. And not only the 50 products which we are teaching, and also nowadays it is very easy for selling these products, because in every family there is a makeup artist or a beauty enthusiast. So just women watching your videos, definitely they will place the order. And the investment also, it is going to be very, very low. With very minimum investment, you will be able to start your business. And from your own kitchen, you will be able to make products and you can start your business. And the support from us will be 100%. Monthly question answer session will be there, so you can join and you can ask your questions. So after this webinar, we'll be creating account for every one of you. We'll be sending you the login details. You'll receive this email: congratulations, welcome to Diploma in Skincare Formulation. It will have a URL, email, and password. You have to click the URL. It will take you to the sign in page where you have to enter the email, password, click sign in. It will take you to the course area where you have to click Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. And then it will take you inside the course where you can find 122 lessons will be there. So first picture is the mobile view. You can access the classes in your mobile, or you can use your laptop and you can access the classes. So all the instructions will be sending you. So after this webinar, don't miss this opportunity. You can make the payment, so that definitely we'll be sending you the login details. You can start the classes. You can also become a cosmetics formulator and start your own cosmetics brand. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. Have a great day.